Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check the screen time and reading statistics on the KOBO Clara Colour e-reader. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the More tab, so press on More in the bottom right, and then press Activity, and here you have all of your statistics. So for example, hours of reading, this is the screen time, average minutes per session, so how many minutes you read each time you pick up the book, average pages per minute, and that's pretty self-explanatory, how many books are finished, so out of all the books that you've started, how many books are finished, how many books are finished in total, and how many total hours of reading, so hours of all time. So this is a pretty new book, so I haven't really had time to use it, but your stats will appear right here and they will be pretty accurate. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.